How to enable screen lock on Signal. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are using Signal and want to protect your chats from anyone who opens your phone, firstly open the Signal application on your device and log in. Once you are logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now in the pop-up, click on Settings. After you're inside the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. Now, scroll down and toggle on the switch right next to Screen Lock. Set the Screen Lock Inactivity Timeout and then choose the timeout period. Once you are done, go ahead and exit your Signal application and wait for the selected timeout period and open the Signal app again, and it will ask you to scan your Face ID or your biometrics to get inside the Signal app. So that is how you can enable the screen lock on Signal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.